This 3D documentary channel creates videos like these entirely using AI. And this channel is doing the exact same thing, producing cinematic documentary-style content with nothing but AI tools. What's even crazier is that both of these channels are already pulling in massive views and earning a decent amount of money. And they're not alone. Right now, this entire AI documentary niche is exploding across YouTube, with new channels growing faster than most people realize. So today, I'm going to show you the exact process to clone this style of channel and start creating your own AI documentary videos in less than 10 minutes. And the best part? You don't need expensive software, advanced editing skills, or a huge production team. So, let's get started. So now, let's take a closer look at the channel we're going to clone. To make this process easier, I've already created a master prompt that does most of the heavy work for you. So basically, this prompt works as a complete YouTube channel cloning system, built around 5 powerful stages. Channel analysis, understanding and cloning the channel style. Content idea generation, creating unlimited viral video ideas. Script architecture, generating high-retention documentary scripts. Visual scene creation, designing cinematic AI-generated visuals. Cinematic video direction, generating motion and video prompts for every scene. All you need to do is copy the prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste it in and hit enter. In the first stage, ChatGPT will ask what type of channel you want to clone, and it will even give you a few category options. Since we're focusing on 3D documentary-style channels, simply type 3D documentary channel, then hit enter again. Now, in the second stage, ChatGPT will ask you for 2 things: a few video titles from the channel, and some transcripts from its videos. This is important because the AI needs to understand the storytelling style, pacing, narration style, and structure of the channel we want to replicate. For this example, we'll use the channel ago. As you can see, I've already prepared a file containing several transcripts from videos on this channel. So simply upload the transcript file along with a few video titles from the channel, then hit enter again. Now ChatGPT will begin analyzing the channel style and generate 20 new content ideas that match the same documentary format and storytelling style. Once you go through the titles, the next step is to select the one you want to turn into a full documentary video. For this example, I'm choosing the title, "The Real Reason Why Napoleon's Army Froze in Russia." Now ChatGPT will analyze the topic and ask you how long you want the script to be. In my case, I want a script between 1,600 and 2,000 words, so I'll enter that and hit enter again. And just like that, ChatGPT will generate a complete documentary script in the same cinematic style, but with a completely unique story structure that fully covers the topic. Once the script is generated, ask ChatGPT for the next step. Now it will ask you to upload a few screenshots from the documentary channel. This step is extremely important because it helps ChatGPT analyze the visual style, color grading, camera angles, scene composition, and overall cinematic look used in these documentaries. So go ahead and take a few screenshots from videos on the channel. Once you upload them, hit enter again. Now ChatGPT will analyze all of those screenshots and break down the visual style in detail, things like camera angles, lighting, composition, color grading, cinematic pacing, and the overall documentary look. Once that's done, simply ask ChatGPT, "What is the next step?" Now comes the most important part of the entire workflow. ChatGPT will ask whether you want to generate image prompts for each segment of the script. Simply type yes and hit enter. And just like that, ChatGPT will begin generating detailed text-to-image prompts for every section of your documentary script. As you can see, each scene is now fully planned out with cinematic visuals that match the storytelling style of the original channel. Now, technically, all we need to do is convert these prompts into images. But before we do that, let's ask ChatGPT for one more step. Now ChatGPT will ask whether you want to generate video prompts for each image prompt. Again, simply type yes and hit enter. And now everything is ready. You have detailed text-to-image prompts, cinematic video motion prompts, scene structure for the entire documentary. So in the next part, we'll finally bring all of these visuals to life and turn them into a complete AI-generated documentary video. But before we generate the visuals, we first need the voiceover for the documentary. For this, simply copy the generated script and head over to 11 Labs. Here, you can choose any voice style you like, whether it's a deep cinematic narration, a documentary-style voice, or something more dramatic. It really depends on the tone you want for your video. Once you select the voice, click Generate, and within seconds your voiceover will be ready. Now download the audio file, because we'll need it later during editing. With the narration ready, it's finally time to generate the visuals for the documentary. Go back to the section where ChatGPT generated the text-to-image prompts. Copy the first image prompt, then open Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, select the Nano Banana model for image generation. Now paste the prompt, but before hitting Generate, add these 2 lines at the end of every prompt. Transform all human characters in the image into identical white faceless mannequin-style human characters while preserving everything else exactly the same. This step is extremely important because it keeps all your characters visually consistent throughout the documentary. Now hit Generate. Within a few seconds, your first cinematic documentary image will be ready. As you can see, the overall scene remains the same, but now all the characters follow a clean and consistent mannequin-style design. Make sure to add these same lines to every single prompt, otherwise your characters may start changing between scenes. Now continue repeating this exact same process for all the remaining prompts until every section of your script has its own visual. And remember, if you ever need a more specific scene or custom visual, you can always return to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a new prompt for any part of the script. This is where your creativity really starts to shape the final documentary style. Once all your images are generated, we're ready for the next step, turning these static visuals into cinematic AI-generated video scenes. Now go back to the section of the chat where we generated the video prompts. Open Google Flow. Upload your first image, and paste the matching video prompt into the prompt box. Now hit Generate. Within a few moments, your first cinematic documentary video clip will be ready. Next, take the second image and drag it into the frame. Then head back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, and paste it into the prompt section. Hit Generate again, and your second video clip will be ready as well. Now simply repeat this same process for all the images you want to convert into videos. And once you get more comfortable with the workflow, you can even start writing your own custom motion prompts, things like camera dolly in, slow cinematic pullback, orbit around the character, top-down drone movement, whip pan transitions. At this point, it all depends on your creativity and how cinematic you want your documentary to feel. Once all the clips are generated, it's finally time to bring everything together inside CapCut and assemble your final 3D AI documentary. Create a new project and import all your generated video clips along with a voiceover. Once everything is imported, arrange the clips according to the flow of your script and narration. Now, to make the opening feel more cinematic, add a simple text animation at the beginning of the video. This small detail instantly gives the documentary a more dramatic and professional look. For transitions, keep things simple. A basic black fade transition is more than enough. There's no need for overly flashy effects, since documentary-style videos usually look better with cleaner editing. Also make sure the audio levels of the clips are balanced properly so the sound effects don't overpower the narration. And of course, you can always enhance the project further by adding cinematic background music, ambient sound effects, subtle motion blur, extra camera zooms, or transitions. These small details can add an extra layer of life and realism to the documentary. Once everything looks good, export your video. Since this is just a demo tutorial, I'll keep my final video under 1 minute. And here is the final result.
France, June 1812. More than 600,000 soldiers stand ready to invade Russia. The largest army Europe has ever seen. French infantry, Italian artillery, German engineers. Dutch supply corps. An entire continent marching under one man. Napoleon Bonaparte looks across the Niemen River and sees victory before the war even begins. Because every army that faced him before had collapsed quickly. His officers believe this campaign will be no different. March into Russia. Force one decisive battle. Capture Moscow. End the war before winter. Simple.